Hello, and welcome to this video tutorial on the Test Report plugin, a powerful tool designed to help you create and manage detailed reports for soft releases. To get started, navigate to the Test Report plugin by clicking on this icon. Once inside, you'll find a two-panel interface. The left side displays a list where you can access all your test reports. The right side contains placeholders for your selected test report. To create a new test report, click on the plus button located here. This opens a pop-up window where you can enter a title, for example, Google Test Report, add a description for additional context if necessary, include relevant tags if applicable. Once you've entered the details, click Add, and your new test report will appear on the left. Next, you'll need a structured document template for your test report. Here's how to prepare one. Open your document editor, such as Microsoft Word. To enable advanced features, activate Developer Mode in the editor. Go to the File menu and click on Options. In the pop-up window, select Customize ribbon. Check the box for Developer and click OK. Once enabled, switch to the Developer tab and activate Design Mode. Now let's start designing the document by adding placeholders for text, images, or tables. Adding a text placeholder. Click on Plain Text Content Control in the Developer tab. You'll see a capsule-like field appear in the document. Remove any existing text inside the field, leaving a single white space inside it. Click on Properties here. Give it a title, for example, Place, and add a tag like Text. Click OK to save the changes. Similarly, for images, use the appropriate content control and specify the image format. Once you've added all the necessary sections, save and close the document. To upload your document template into the plugin, click on Browse File and select your prepared document. Map the placeholders in the document to the corresponding variables in the plugin. For example, if your placeholder is named Author, map it to the Author variable. Click the Add button to save the mapping for each placeholder. Add variables such as the author, date, and version here as needed, and also assign values to each variable during this step. If you need to update the value of any variable in the next sprint, simply change its value. The updated value will automatically be reflected in the generated report. Variables typically represent data types like strings or integers and can be used to map placeholders in your document. The plugin also supports images for creating query charts and tables for organizing and displaying data in a tabular format. To generate meaningful insights, use the Query Builder. Navigate to the Query section. Add conditions to define the data you want to extract. Once the queries are set, create visual representations like graphs or charts to summarize the results. Now it's time to generate your test report. Click on Generate Report. The generation process may take a few minutes, depending on the complexity of the report. Once completed, the report will be ready to view and share. For each sprint or hotfix release, you can create a template and generate the corresponding report during the release, streamlining the process for consistent documentation. Thank you for watching this tutorial on the Test Report plugin. With this tool, you can streamline the process of creating detailed reports, track testing progress, and ensure your software meets quality standards. See you in the next video, and happy testing!